What's good, YouTube? It is your boy. You already know it's your boy, Super Hendrix, man. Back with another video, man. Something different. We got some unboxings, you feel me, from Amazon. About to unbox them. I guess got some new stuff that I need to put on my desk, bro. Look at my shit, bro. Like, I need to my shit, I need a whole little makeover. So I'm gonna be fixing my shit up. You feel me? Really organizing and all type of little shit, you feel me? So let's get into the video, bro. We not gonna make this video too long, you dig? But yeah, bro, like, look at my shit, bro. Never mind this, y'all kids, man. This is, feel me? But yeah, like, feel me? I gotta organize this though, y'all boys. Gotta get this shit looking lit here. Do a little fixing up, though. Yeah, show y'all what I got though. We gonna spice it up a little bit though. Got this. Damn, position on focus. Yeah, got this. Got this shit. I don't even know if this shit focusing right, y'all boys. What's going on with my shit, fuck? Come on now, man. There you go. Here, USB. So we trying. I got this for my little iPad, and I got this stand for my MacBook too. But yeah, man, we finna get right though today. Man. Let's get into it though. Yeah. First thing first, man. We gonna move all this shit. We finna move all these. All this shit gotta get off. All this shit gotta get off. All this shit gotta get off. And I wanna play some music, but I'm gonna get copyrighted. I already know I'm gonna get copyrighted. But I'm gonna have to play music anyway. Cause I can't do this while I'm on music. I get groovy on you hoes. These shoes, they my bros. Oh, yeah. Alright, so first thing first, what we gonna do is I'm gonna move this monitor right here beside this one. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Crazy part is only one of these got the LED lights on the back of them. I think it's this one. But this one don't got no volume, bro. This shit crazy. Like, this one I need a speaker for. No, this one I need a speaker for. And then this one, it got the speaker built in it. These both 4K monitors, I think, like, I don't know, this one an Acer, this one this one is, I don't even know, it's some Predator, something called Predator, I think. I don't know, bro. I just be buying shit, y'all boys. I ain't gonna cap, you feel me? But we gonna move this to this side. We probably gonna move this. It's like a little tripod thing I be doing with reactions. I don't even know if y'all can see that. But we gonna move that beside each other. So let's get to it. I gotta move this smoother, man. A little protein. Yes, sir. Ain't gonna lie, I might need this. Like, I'm gonna use this too. Shit. I need a lot of lights, man. Oh yeah, it's looking bright here now. Okay. So we're gonna plug this. Damn, bro. So y'all think I should like put them like side by side, or should I have them like? I don't really know, bro. Damn. Forget it. We gonna see, man. Which one look better, bro? Should I have it like this? Or should I have it like this? I'm gonna put them both on the side. One of them go higher than the other one, of course. I should have just bought the same exact monitor, bro. Bro, I could have sworn these shits were the same size. They ain't the same size, bro. Hell no. I could rotate this one though. I could do it like this. But I don't know if I like it like this. Damn. This shit confusing, bro. Y'all comment below and let me know which one should I do, bro. I'ma just do it any type of way right now, but y'all let me know which way look better. This way, like having them straight up, or just having them side by side, or like angled at a certain, like, feel me? But we're gonna just leave it like this for now. Cause you know I ain't too creative, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boys. We gonna move this. Put this in another spot. Feel me? Alright, we gonna dust this shit off real quick, man. We gotta clean this shit. So yeah. Yeah, man, you know. Lysol, this is effective wipes. Yeah. But I'm gonna clean this desk off, bro. My son just woke up out of sleep, crying. Y'all probably hear that boy crying right now, boy tripping. This shit's slippery, bro. This shit is so weird. Man, this shit difficult, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like that, though. What y'all boys think? I ain't gonna cap. I don't know because the screens, they not the same size, so it kind of look weird a little bit. So check this out, man. We gonna move the PC to up here, right? Feel me? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move the PC from up here. Yeah, that's what we gonna do. So we gonna go ahead. We gonna move that. Yeah, I gotta unplug everything. It don't judge me though. My missing a glass piece on glass case plate case piece. I had broke that bit. I was doing too much. So my shit really open, bro, on the side. But it's whatever though. You feel me? Y'all think it look good right there? Or should I put it back down on the floor? I don't know. Feel me? I don't know. I think I might leave it like that. I think. Yeah. Yeah, man, we got the brackets installed, feel me? Now I'm finna try to put this, probably gonna put this at the bottom of the desk, probably like, somehow put it, tape it under it or something. We gonna figure it out though. You know, we gonna figure it out. Hey man, we process, you know what I'm saying? We doing our thing. It's a little neat right here, you know. I done got it straightened up. I just gotta do this side right here. This the hard part right here over here though. Never mind music in the background, you know. I can't just do this without no music, feel me? But we ain't finished, bro. We probably like, for y'all it's probably short, but for me this shit, it hassle for real. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish, man. I'm gonna put keyboard, feel me? We ain't finished though. We gonna have to put this back on here. I'm gonna just put this back on here any type of way right now, cause I'm using the camera right now on this tripod, so I'm gonna just put it and then I'm gonna set it up later. Feel me? Hey man, we almost finished, man. Camera man is a little bit better. Feel me? I still feel me? I tried though, my boy. I ain't like these little deep boys, feel me? I don't know how to go about it. Right here for real. It ain't that bad. That's the TV corner. Put that behind that TV. Yeah. Only part that looks crazy is this part right here, cause I got that power out of right here, so I probably gotta mute this shit. Probably copyright my but I don't even know if y'all was able to hear me just now. But I'm gonna move this. I think the only way if I move that up here, but I ain't even gonna try that, bro. Feel me? Everything looking straight. Got my MacBook, iPad, PS5, the Xbox, computer, a light. Got the 2 monitors. I got these lights from off Amazon. And I got this. I gotta tape this up here with this. I'm gonna figure it out though. This is my USB. I don't know why this shit blurry, y'all boys. But I'm gonna figure it out though. But yeah. For the finish this shit up though, y'all boys. Be back. Yeah, man. I'm about finished, bro. I ain't about finished, bro, cause I ain't got something to be doing all that other shit, you feel me? Yeah, I'm about finished. I ain't even kept y'all. I tried to show y'all the whole video of me doing it, but bro, man, camera kept going dead, so I was like, forget that shit, bro. But yeah, I got PS5, the P5. I don't even play this. I don't even know. I got this Xbox. I don't even play that bit. Got the MacBook, iPad, like I said. 2 monitors, both on 4K. I just be wasting money on dumb shit, bro. And I got the GTR racing chair on. This a heat back warmer. Feel me? I bought this separate though. I just put it in here between this. Plug this up. So when I'm sitting down on that bit, my back be straight. You know, my back be killing me sometimes, bro. When I sit too long, like this for too long, my back go to tripping. So, feel me? Got the TV. Got my boy back there. Supreme, but we got a full room tour soon, though. I ain't finished though. But yeah, we gonna see how the shit look without the lights and shit on though. Yeah, this how I look without the lights, man. Feel me? This how I look without the lights. Ain't too much going on though, bro. I don't think. Oh shit, I'm gonna fail y'all boys. And I ain't too much going on. I don't think. I think it look better, more better than from previous, bro. Move the water bottle. Yeah, I think it look better than what it did before. So I'm rocking with it. Feel me? Got everything nice and neat. You feel me? Just gotta put the camera up there type shit. Right. We looking good though. We got the man, this shit never focus, bro. The fuck on my shit, bro. This shit never focus, bro. I swear to God. That shit be tripping, bro. I gotta learn how to work these cameras, bro. Oh, there you go. See, I had the shit on manual, tripping. But yeah, that's the keyboard. This the monitor, Predator. I don't know what kind of brand this shit. I don't even know why I got this, bro. I had big dreams of screaming. That shit too hard, but like I told y'all, look at my shit. I broke my glass, bro. So my shit. I built this shit myself though. My shit, you know, I don't really know how to do all that cable management shit. I ain't got time for all that shit, bro. That bitch working, we live, we lit. You shit in this little iPhone and AirPod charger. Got my little stand for my MacBook and shit. Then I got my iPad. Feel me? But I think we did straight though, bro. I was fucking with it. I'm gonna show y'all after before video though. Y'all let me know which one better. I think I could do more lights, low key, but it's straight though, bro. It's well though. Yeah, man, we gonna head out. We'll probably get y'all the room tour. I'm gonna do a little something to the room before I show y'all boys and shit. But this is what we working with. This is what we rocking with, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Yeah. Hold on, let me put this. Make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? Hit that. Yeah, this bit blurry. But yeah, I ain't gotta really shit chill. But y'all get the memo. But yeah, man, it's your boy BigGucciHendrix.